What is Jesus saying? You know what? He's saying, I gave my hands to you. I gave my heart to you. I gave my life to you. I gave my life to you on the cross. And if we will ask Jesus, Jesus, why did you do that? His answer is this: you are worth it. You are worth my love. You are worth my sacrifice. You are worth the mercy, the forgiveness. You are worth it. And today, let that message of Jesus sink in. He cares not just about what you're doing. He cares about your heart. He cares about what's in your mind. He cares for everything in you. I believe the Lord knows that we will fall. He knows that we will keep on falling. But why does He continue to pursue us? Because He loves us so much. Because we are worth it. So today, may we remember that great love. To remember that we're not just a body, we're not just urges, we're not just objects. Neither the person you look at, hindi lang yan katawan, hindi lang yan tao. Anak ng Diyos yan, mahal ng Diyos yan. And when God calls us to a higher standard, He's not pushing us away, but in fact, Jesus is telling us, come to me, go back to me. Hindi mo kaya mag-isa, kaya nating dalawa. He knows we will fall short. He knows we will sin. But because you are worth it, Jesus gave His all. So today, as we come and worship the Lord, we have the courage, find the courage in us to give our all. Why? Because Jesus has given us His everything. And today, let His word speak to you. Anak, you are worth it. You are worth fighting for. You are worth the life, the mercy, the forgiveness. You are worth it. And today, let's come to the Lord with hope in our hearts. Yes, we have fallen. We have sinned. We have been hurt. But today, we give it all to Jesus. We